Hi guys, today we're going to be repotting these two plants here. This one was given to me by a friend who said it was just dying on her, and this little guy has been neglected for a while, so we're going to put him in a hanging basket. Okay, got to get my dirt ready, and if you don't know what this is, I'll go ahead and link my other video in the comments down below that explains why I have oats and salt in my dirt. Just a little something I try to do every time I repot something. Alright, so here is my cocoa fiber hanging basket, and I know in my other video I showed you guys that I put a angel food cake pan in here, a plastic one, just because it retains moisture a lot better. I don't have another one, but I do have the top or the bottom of my strawberry container, and it doesn't quite fit, so I'm just going to cut around it and push it down, and it'll still provide a little more moisture than just putting it directly in the cocoa fiber. There we go. Alright, and there it is on the inside. It doesn't fit completely, but it'll still provide extra moisture instead of just placing it directly into the cocoa fiber. And we're just going to take this plant, kind of squeeze the sides, loosen up the soil in there, and then he should slip right out. There you go. And just like every other plant that you're repotting, you want to kind of break up the roots, kind of loosen them up. You can do this with your fingers, or you can use a little rake, just to kind of get them loose. Now I'm going to place the fresh soil in there, just a little bit. Just going to fill it up with dirt. I can't tell you how much I love my little plastic mat here. It just keeps the dirt from going everywhere when I'm working on this table. You can get these on Amazon, and I can put a link for that in the comments also for you. And there it is. Hopefully this will encourage it to grow a lot quicker and fuller now. And this guy is also going on the fig tree, just like my other hanging plant. Okay, and now for the peace lily, what we're going to do first is go ahead and cut off any of the browned leaves or anything that looks kind of wilted or dead inside, just to kind of give it a fresh start when we repot it. So I'm going to lay it on its side and just kind of go around and clipping everything we don't want in there. I actually see a lot of new growth in here, so I think it's going to do really well once we put it in a bigger pot. Okay, we got pretty much everything. She looks a little smaller and thinned out, but in the long run, this is going to be a lot better. So now we just have to take it out. And in here, I already have some of that mixture that I made. I'm just going to see how these roots are looking. Take this moss off. I know it was there for decorative purposes, but we don't really need it now. Now for this bigger one, I am going to use a little rake, just because it's a little thick in there. I'm going to make sure that I break up the roots deep inside. And there we have it. I did use just some regular soil on the top to press it down. And so now we're going to water them and put them in their new homes. So the peace lily is actually going to go right here next to my milkweed. And there she is. Hopefully she will continue to grow. And that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.